Okay, this is a VGB, it's upside down, Pro Cut brake lathe on-car rotor cutter. We acquired this beauty at a Midas that was going out of business. We picked it up for $350 or something thereabouts. It's the older version, and you basically cut your brakes, your brake rotors on the car, which takes out, you have all the stacking run out from the bearing, the wheel, and all of that. So what this particular machine does is you bolt on an adapter to the wheel, which is right here on this particular car, 2008 Mercedes E350, sport suspension, big rotor, and then you bolt this machine to this. And then what you do is you turn the machine on, and what you do, you adjust out to about 3 to 4 1/1000ths of the run out. When you first put this on the machine, on the car, this thing is needles all over the place most of the time. And then you adjust it to within 3 to 4 thousandths before you start your cut. That allows you to compensate and correct all the run out on the wheel, all the stack load on the wheel, the bearings, the hub, etc. So when you cut on the car, it matches it to that particular axle, and then the rotors, the pads just last so much longer, because even if you just slap on new rotors onto a car, that run out is going to create that wobble that you feel in the brake pedal. It's just going to eventually warp the rotor again. So not that this is forever, but it just does it for a lot longer. Anyway, we already set up the machine. I got the hub on the car, got my cutting in place. This was actually, we did the left side of the car first, which is what you always do, because you could see all your verniers. These are the cutting verniers here. You adjust to get the blades into the rotor. And then this is the crank to control the in and out of the verniers to start your cut. Press this button in, and then it automatically do the cut. Now it's upside down. You set it up on the other side first, come to the left side after you're done, and everything should be set up. So you just flip it 180 degrees upside down, adjust for your run out, which we've done already, and you can see how little that needle moves. That means we're good to cut. So I'm going to remove the dial indicator. Get that out of the way. And now, right now, the cutting blades are not moving because this crank is out. So I'm going to start the cut. I'm going to start turning in the inside vernier until I make contact. This is my first contact. I'm going to get a... We're just going to put a little tray under here, or just do it. Alright, so I'm going to start the cut on the inside. Feel a little contact. I'm going to go about another 2 tenths in. Same thing on the outside. We made contact. Now we're going to turn it in 2 more tenths. Blades are going to cut and pull out. The inside is cutting good. We have a high spot, a low spot on this rotor. Let's come back and cut that. limit that's built in to create a cross action on the cut. But right there we have a low spot that we're going to have to come back and cut. The back side is going well. As you can see. Got a low spot in the front. Sometimes you have to go back and do another cut. Okay. All right, first cut is finished. Now I'm going to go back in again and cut the front a little more. As you can see, we have a low spot in the front right there. That shiny spot basically is the spot that did not get cut. So when it was cutting the rest, the higher areas, so we just need to go back and cut that one more time. I'm going to bring the cutting head in all the way to the inside of the rotor. Turn the machine on. I'm going to open up the verniers a little bit to clear the blade. It'll spin. Alright, once again, I'm just going to clean up the inside a little bit with a little bit of a cut. And then the front, the outside I should say, come in. Alright, let's see. I think we may need to take a little bit more on the outside. Alright, start the cut. Push that in, it'll automatically pull the cutting blades out. Here's our cut from the rotor. It's all the cutting material. So you got that low spot out of there now. I'm gonna have to clean up that back. So if you notice the wobble in the machine here, that's to make it do a crosshatch cut on the rotor. That's designed into the machine to be slightly offset, so the blade goes up and down as it's cutting. Yep. Very good quality machine, made in the United States. You got to learn how to use it. Nothing you can't do. You get it on YouTube and they teach how to use it, and they have instructions. You can actually still buy parts and the instruction manual for this as well. Pretty slick machine. And it comes with all, you get all these different kinds of adapters for them for different kinds of cars.
You think that model is?
I don't know.
Probably 15 years old.
I bet it's over the back. I mean, heck,
2020, so that may be
I bet
going
that's
back to the 90s somewhere.
could be.
But works good, lasts a long time.
Oh yeah.
Pretty solid machine.
Yep. And you can buy the replacement cutting, the little tiny triangle, so they have 3 different cutting points on them. I think they say you can cut like 10 cars or 10 rotors on each tip of that blade, and then you can flip it to the other side. They're numbered so you know which one you're doing.